This video will show you how you can decline a job on FixFlow on both the Contractor app and the web. On FixFlow, you can decline to quote and also decline to carry out the works. If you are declining to quote, this can be done from the initial email you receive, asking you to provide a quote. Alternatively, this can be done within the app or on the web. Let's start by looking at this on the app. You will need to click on your jobs which are sitting in Quotes Requested and then click on Decline to Quote. You will see a pop-up display asking you if you are sure. Once you select yes, then this will be declined and it will no longer sit on your app. To do this on the web, it is very similar. You will need to click into the issue. This can be done directly from the dashboard like this, and then click Decline to Quote. Once again, you will see a pop-up message where you can confirm that you would not like to quote for this particular job. If you have been instructed to do the works, then you can also decline the job. This can be done either via the app or the web. Within the app, simply click on the jobs which are awaiting an appointment and select Decline Job. When you do this, you'll be asked to provide a reason before declining the job. This is mandatory, so you must provide a reason here. Once you have declined the job, you will have no further actions and this will no longer show on your app. To decline a job from the web, you will simply need to select a job awaiting a start date and once again click Decline. You will need to select a reason from the drop-down options and you can provide additional information if you wish here. Once again, simply click Decline Job. Thank you for watching.